Okay, so this is not an official DIY Tuesday because as you can see, I'm uploading this on a Friday, but I'm doing this because I need you to go right now to our Instagram page, showing right on the screen at Senero_NG, and I need you to let me know what you would like me to teach you in the coming weeks. Okay, so please go right now to the at Senero handle on Instagram. Remember to follow us, and on our status you would see ask me anything question, and just let me know what you'd like me to teach you in the upcoming weeks. Thank you guys. I will be looking forward to your request, and I'm going to make sure I put that in our upcoming schedules. Enjoy this head wrap tutorial. I hope you love it. Okay guys, so this is the first style for the head wrap tutorial. As you can see, my scarf is really short. It's just a normal like this, and then I'm folding it into two. So after you fold it, make sure you tuck in the rough edges. This is the rough edge, so I'm tucking that in, and I'm going to do it this way. So for the first style, bend your head, obviously. Can you see? And then tie it in a knot. So the first style is pretty easy. Take this and tie it in a knot. Okay. Trying to see. Yeah, simple. After you tie it in a knot, you have to take this one and then tuck it in at the back. Remember to make it smooth, then tuck it in. Take the other side and then do the same thing, tuck it in. So you can see how yeah, pulling it from the other edge. So let me show you how I'm tucking it in. Very simple. I hope you can see it. And that's it. So this is the first head wrap style. Yep, and then tucking, obviously any rough edges coming out, just hide it. Hide it, hide it, hide it. Yeah. The first style. I hope you love this one. I don't know. We'll check out the other ones anyway. So let me give you the side view. And the side view and the back. Okay, so this is the first style. I'm going to try the second one now. Hey guys, so for the second style, I'm going to switch it up. So I'm going to turn the scarf the other way because it has like different patterns, and I want the red to be dominant, the red parts right in the middle here. So I'm just gonna really do that fast. Yep. Yes, I got it. Okay, so now that we have that, bend your head again, obviously. And now this style is quite different, so you're going to do this first and then turn it this way. Yeah, I hope you can see. Yeah, after you turn it this way, just turn it around. Remember, this is a style for short scarves, and the reason why I'm actually doing this short scarf stuff is because most times a lot of the tutorials out there are on like big Ankara scarves, and it's obvious like when you have like a short scarf, you really don't know what style you can do with it. That was really what inspired this tutorial. And that's it, guys. Yeah, that's it. So you can just adjust your hair, your puff or whatever, and just make sure it is exactly how you'd like it to look. I think I love it. I like how it looks. Let me know what you think. who likes this one more? I feel like my hair is coming out here too much. Okay, I'm just going to tuck it in. Remember, you just have to keep adjusting until you get exactly what you want. Yep. I got it. I got it. I'm doing 360 for you guys. Ooh. Okay, so let me know if this second one is your favorite. I'll be moving on to the third and last one now. See you soon. Hey, your girl again. So for the last style, my scarf as usual. So I'm just going to fold it, and this time I'm really going to make it big. You can see wide, not big, wide. I'm really going to make it wide. So this is how wide I'm going to make this one, but obviously I'm going to tuck in the rough edges. So tuck that in. This one is also pretty easy, and it's also for short scarves. This scarf is actually really short, as you can see. It's from here to here. So bend your head, obviously. No, sorry, you're doing it from the front this time. Yeah. So this one, you're not bending your head, you just let your head be normal. And all we're doing is we're just tying it. It's really that simple. Make sure your edges are smooth. That's very, very important. I look so funny. Just hold on, we're not done yet. This one, not done yet. Yep. Here comes the adjustment part that makes it really nice. Yeah. Then just really tight, like just tight. It's really that simple. Now you can either leave it this way. It depends if you're wearing an off-shoulder top or whatever. It's just imagine. So this is not a white off-shoulder. Just imagine it was white, and then like obviously this Ankara scarf just coming down. Like yeah, makes sense. Okay, but if you don't want anything hanging off, that's totally fine. All you just have to do, I'm going to show you how to tuck it in nicely. Okay, so just take this and then here just bring it forward and tuck it in this way. It's really that simple. Okay, I'm going to adjust the okay, it's coming off. Let me just adjust it. Okay, get in now. Perfect. Okay, and then take the second one like this, and just, you see, so you have to make sure if it's not smooth, your scarf starts to look do you get? So you have to make sure it is smooth, girl. It must be smooth. You better do it right. Okay, so now I'm really just tucking it in so it all goes in. Yeah. Okay, it's not neat. You know, I'm a fan of excellence and neatness. So I'm going to just make sure it's tucked in properly. I don't care how long it takes. Okay, yep, that's it, girls, and we got it. We got it. Show them what you got. Guys, don't ask me why I'm this excited today. See, it's just for you guys. You know, if I'm not this excited, would you watch the videos? Would you? Okay, so this is the third and last style with my short Ankara Headwrap. Let me know what you think. Let me know which styles were your favorite. Was it the first one, second one, or the third one? This one. And please, if you haven't checked out our YouTube channel, you should. The link is clickable in our bio, so just click on it, and there you have it. That's all. See you next week. Oh yeah, sorry, you have to tell me what you'd like me to teach you in the upcoming hashtag DIY Tuesday. So please guys, don't forget to do that. That's why I'm doing all of this, to be in your face. So please guys, do that. Share this video with your friends, like, comment, favorite, retweet. Bye. Bye guys.